Hello guys, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. If you really want to make $2,000 every single month doing affiliate marketing, then watch this video till the end and let's start the strategy. Okay, let me show you something which is really interesting. So this is the animated video which I created just in 2 minutes using a free tool, absolutely free tool. How you can create this type of videos and do affiliate marketing with this kind of videos is what I'm gonna show you in this video. So watch this video. So you can see this is a very simple video and I have done all these things. Okay, so you can see this very really good animation and this animation, and you can see I have created this promo. Okay, so you can also make this type of videos and you can review different articles which are different products which are available on clickbank.com with this strategy and really make a ton of money just by doing this very simple stuff. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna show you which tool you are gonna use, which product you are gonna promote. All that things will be covered in this video, so watch this video till the end. Just take some time and watch this video till the end because this is going to be super duper valuable and you are really gonna make a lot of money with this. So now let's get started. Let me show you from where you can start doing this stuff. Okay, so first thing you need to do is you need to go to canva.com. Okay, now Canva has launched this new feature that you can create videos out of Canva. Yes, you can create videos out of Canva. Okay, so all you need to do is type in videos over here and then you can make really great videos with Canva. Okay, so if you really want to start from the scratch, then all you need to do is click on this blank. Okay, once you click on this blank, now there are a ton of templates which you can use to make videos using Canva. Okay, so all these templates are available here for you. So for example, let's use this template and let us put it over here. Okay, now you can use this template, you can edit this template, you can do whatever you want to do with this template. Now let's replace this image over here and let's put this image over here. Okay, so let's put this over here on. Okay, so let this be over here. Okay, and let this image be over here. So okay, now all you need to do is replace this text. Now you can just replace this text. Now you can write here any product which you are reviewing. Okay, so let's say we are reviewing some product which is related to health. Okay, but for this example let's click on. Okay, so I have choose for example flat belly fix review. Okay, now this is written for you. Now all you need to do is make this text a bit smaller. Okay, so that it's readable and it's in a perfect size. Okay, so now it's become too small, but let's make it a bit bigger. Just let's select 64. Okay, so now it's over here and now you can just take this text. Okay, now just drag it over here. So okay, so the first template of your video has been created. Okay, so this is the first template which we are going to use. Now let's jump to the second template. Okay, so all you need to do is click on new page. Okay, once you clicked on new page, this new page will load up over here. Then you need to go to templates. Now you can select any of the templates which are available here to put it over here. Okay, so all you need to do is select a template whichever you like. For example, if you like this one, then just select this template and put it over here. Okay, so this template has been put over here. So this is a video template which you can see over here. Now all you need to do is click on this text and you need to replace this text with anything whatever you like. Okay, for example, you want to put here something which is really interesting. All you need to do is click on this text, take this text over here, and now you can add any of the text in this video over here. Okay, so now let's put some text. As we are creating a weight loss product review, so we will be writing, here's the best product to lose weight in 2020, and you just have to put in full stop. Okay, so this is the second slide of our video created over here. Okay, so now you can just replace this text in the middle, and now if I play this, okay, now let's play this. So you can see that this awesome effect is coming on this video. Okay, in this way you can add multiple different layers and multiple different videos to this. Okay, so if you really want any other videos, just type in some video titles like fitness. Okay, and just click on enter, and there are all these fitness videos. Okay, all you need to do is just drag this fitness video over here. Okay, and then just make it bigger. Now, okay, once your fitness video is ready over here, whichever you like, all you need to do is drag it, fix it to the size whichever you want. Now you can add any of the text on this video. Okay, so now you can see a 3-page video is created for you. So this is a flat belly fix review. Now this is the second and this is the third slide of this video. In this way you can create multiple videos. So you can see this is the video which I just recently made. Okay, so you can see there is this moving thing over here. Then the next slide will appear in this video. Okay, after this happens, then the second slide, and then this third slide will appear. So all in this way you can really create many of this type of very simple very simple template videos, and you can use this template videos to create reviews of different products. Okay, so this is something which is really new on Canva, and you can use this tool absolutely for free. All you need to do is click on this download video and just okay, so we have used something premium. Okay, so don't worry about that, don't use any premium images. Just go for just go for the free one. Okay, so I have used one premium image, but the thing is that there are free as well as premium images which are available in this tool. Okay, so we don't need to use any premium images. We just require are the free images which are available on this tool. Okay, so you can just do that, and you can use all the free images which are available on this tool, and you can create videos like this. Okay, and just you can download these images absolutely for free from this platform. Now let me show you another video which I was creating. Okay, so this was the video which I was creating. You can see it's 21 seconds, and you can see it's got really this cool looking template. Okay, so now you can just edit this template in the way you want. You can write whatever text you want right over here. And now let me show you the product which for which I am creating a video while using this template. Okay, so the product which I'm gonna show you is really something which is great, and you get all the tools to promote this product. Okay, so you can see that if you go to ClickBank and if you go to the category which is spirituality, okay, so you can find this product which is known as Manifestation Magic. Okay, now all you need to do is go to the JV page of this product. Okay, once you go to JV page of this product, you can find a lot of things which are available over here, but the most important thing which we want is blog reviews. So now you can see this blog review is already given to you on this page. Now all you need to do is just go over here. Now all you need to do is copy this title. Let's copy this title, Control C, and you just need to go over here. Now just click on this. Okay, I have deleted so many things. Okay, so all you need to do is go over here and click on this, and all you need to do is paste. Control V, so you can learn this. It will change your life forever. Okay, so we just don't need the subscribe one, so we will remove it. Okay, now just go to second slide, just copy the second thing. Okay, sorry. Now just go to the second page and just delete this one, and now you can just copy the second one. Now you can also adjust the size of this. Okay, so if you really want to make it a little bit big, all you need to do is select over here, and then you can make it bigger. just click on over here and then drag it to make it big. Okay, now just click on this back one. Okay, now if you really want to edit the text, just do this and then okay, so you can also select text from over here. So all you need to do is just select any of the text which you like. Okay, whatever the text or font you want. Okay, select its size, place it over here and then click it on over here. Then now all you need to do is go to this article. Now just copy the second one. Okay, second line, Control C, and all you need to do is come back to over here and place this. Okay, Control V. Okay, so it is a little bit bigger, but it's okay, fine. Okay, now if you really want to change the background over here, then you can also change that stuff. Okay, so now let's go to background and you can change the background over here of this page. Okay, so this background has been changed over here and you can see now this one is appearing over here. So in this way you can add multiple pages. It's your choice how many pages you want to add, and you can also add videos next to them. Okay, and you can make an entire review video using this free article of this Manifestation Magic product. Now this is the perfect product because you are already getting blog reviews for this. Okay, so all you need to do is use this Canva tool and make this entire absolutely for free. Now you can see this video. So this video has been created by me just in 2 minutes, and in this way in just 5 to 10 minutes you can create an entire review video of a particular product. If you really want to give a voiceover, you can also provide a voiceover on this. Okay, so if you really want to put in the voiceover, you can do it. Okay, for the voiceover you will require some extra tools, which are this one, which is known as Audacity, so that you can record your voice in Audacity, and you require this OpenShot video editor so that you can combine this video and your voiceover. Okay, so this is really important. And now all you need to do is, once your video is created and you are satisfied with the video, all you need to do is click on over here and then you can download just by clicking on this button. Okay, and you can download this video. I have already downloaded this video, so I'm not gonna download it again. And this is how you are gonna make this type of very simple review videos for your YouTube channel using Canva absolutely for free. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to download any video editor to your computer. All you need to do is use Canva and start doing all this really simple stuff, and you can start making money on this with YouTube doing affiliate marketing. So there are lots and lots of channels who are creating this very simple slideshow videos and creating reviews of various affiliate products and providing their affiliate links in the description of those videos on YouTube, and they are really making a ton of money doing this very simple things on YouTube. So you can also make a lot of money with this very simple and easy strategy. So all you need to do is take action on this strategy. It's an absolutely free method, and you can start making some real money online in 2020 using YouTube. So if you got some value out of this video, just press the like button as well as the subscribe button and the bell icon which will appear next to it. And you can also check out my Instagram, link is in the description. If you have any queries or questions, then you can ask me on Instagram. I will reply to your questions 100%. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.